This is the garden growing. Of course, this is the big one. This one was the only starter one that I had. You can see she's almost up to the top there. She's getting up to near, see that's over 6 feet there. She keeps going on up. That's what I expect out of most all of these. They should just be able to take off and just climb on their own. They seem to wind through and climb right up. Then we got a tomato plant here. Different variable times, but these were all planted. Got some carrots there and a sunflower. The pot, this guy, that was bad. Here's this half of the experimental garden. You can see that she's going along really well. Don't really water it anymore. We got a wide variety of sunflowers, squash, cucumbers, cantaloupes, melons, beets, radishes, corn, soybean, a little bit of everything, some potatoes, some more tomatoes. And here's the regular garden. Now this is a surface drip feed. Now this guy is really doing awesome. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm actually just putting this water in just below the surface so it saturates the lower part of the soil, and it's just doing really wondrous things. You can see how everything's growing really well in here. And here's the other half of the experimental garden. Now these guys here, these things are like bamboo. These are sunflowers. Check out the stalk on that thing. It's like the size of a baseball bat, the handle. Definitely getting up there. When it gets to the top of that thing, it's going to be, it's got to be about 6 feet right now. Got a piece of corn down there that's getting kind of smothered. Got another corn down here. She's going to town. We got 3 shoots coming out of this guy. Actually, a 4th one tried to start coming on up. See that there? I don't know if this one here is going to develop into anything. It's the smaller one. Right there. These 3, I believe, are going to all produce though. Okay, what we can do now is show you exactly what happens with this system. You can see, look at all the water. It's just coming right on up. This is how the growth takes place. That taproot goes on down. The temperature differentiations. Look at the squash. Squash is just really leaking water. That water charged in last night. You can see all the sparkles. That's all the water coming on up that the plants are bringing up. Doesn't look like the sunflowers move the water at night though. For some odd reason. We'll take a look at the other ones. Look at all these. So, okay, here's the mammoth sunflower. Yeah, there's not much water that really moves here at night. Not on the sunflowers. But you can see it on the corn. You can see here how the corn, the squash, everything is moving the water right up out of the ground. Ground is saturated because they flooded last night. Look at that watermelon. Get all that water flowing on up. It's going to plump up those watermelons, all the melons really quick. Got the sunflower. Interesting, the sunflower doesn't really move the water so much at night.